Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this dip powder glitter ombre look and I am using Colorwave Nails. The colors that we're wearing today are Mr. Mint and Fairy Floss. I'm so excited to be showing these on my channel today. This is the first time that you guys are seeing Colorwave on a video of mine. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. I decided to do a little glitter ombre look and I'm excited to show you guys how to use Fairy Floss because it is a chunkier glitter and it has big, well, I mean, they're not super big, but it has little stars in it and little hearts. And I know that sometimes that can be challenging for some. And I just wanted to show a super easy way of how I do it. And yeah, right now I'm just applying a couple layers of Mr. Mint and that will be our base for our ombre. I really love this color. It's a little minty, sparkly shimmer and it also has these really cool blue sparkles in it that you can really only see in person. But I love them, they're so beautiful. I love this color because it's really buildable. You can get like a nice little sea glass look if you wanted, if you just do a couple dips, or you can have a more opaque look. It really just depends on what you like and what you're feeling that day, but this color is really versatile. It is also super user-friendly. We do hand mix all of these dip powders ourselves, and we make sure that they are super fluffy and nice when you get them. So yeah, that being said, you guys should check us out, www.colorwavenails.com. I will leave the link in the description box as well. We are almost done with Mr. Mint, and then I will be back when we're ready to bust out Fairy Floss and do our ombre. Okay, we are back with Fairy Floss in all of her glory. I'm gonna open her up and show you guys what she looks like. This is one of my favorite glitters of literally all time. I love the little blue sparkles in there. I love the little shape sparkles. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. I could be biased, but I love it. It goes with so many different things. The brush we're using is from IT Cosmetics. This is the Airbrush Crease brush. Oh, it's hard to say that. I am going to lay down some base liquid and then I will get started with the glitter design. So I like to apply the base liquid and then dip into the powder with my crease brush first so that I can get a little layer of glitter down, and then I will start to place my glitters. The reason that I like to sprinkle some of the baby glitters on first is this is what helps me decide where I want to put my bigger glitter pieces. So it's really just the base and it helps you out a lot. I will be placing a lot of the other small pieces as well. This is just gonna help me get a gist first. And it's gonna look like I don't even have that much glitter on there when I go to brush it off, and you'll see that in just a second. And now for the fun part, we get to place some glitter. I'm gonna start with this big heart shape, and of course it's not in focus, but I got the other ones in focus, so that's really what matters. I'm gonna go in with a little star and I'm gonna put it in the middle. And I think I'm just gonna place 3 of these because I think that'll fill it up enough, and then I will go in with the other pieces and just fill in the rest to make it look complete. But yeah, this is just how I like to place glitter. I find it a lot easier than trying to waste my time using the brush the whole time, because that usually is just a mess, and I feel like you never actually pick up the glitter pieces that you want to, so this way just works for me. I like to dip in, like I dipped into my bottle just a teeny tiny bit to get a little liquid out, but the brush is mostly just doing the work for me. Going in with Rebel Nails Vivian, and this is going to protect my glitter from burning while I file, because if you only apply one layer of clear to glitter that looks like this, you can potentially burn it off while filing. So I am going to dip into Vivian twice. I'm only showing on camera me dipping it into once, but I do twice. Going in with my Sparkle & Co. Solidify, and I'm applying this to all of my nails and letting it sit for 2 minutes. Then I'll go in and file with my Beauty Secrets 100/180 grit file. I am filing off camera today. I mentioned in my last video, if that's something that you guys would want to see, let me know, and I would love to make a little filing video. I'm then going to apply my Valentino Beauty Pure Gel Base and Top Coat. And that will conclude today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.